Hey y'all, I'm Evelyn and welcome back to my channel. Today you all, we're going to find the perfect sectional. Baby, you give me ice and fire. So you all know, on this channel, we're all about making a house a home inexpensively. But we also know there's a difference between a $400 sectional and a $2,000 sectional. Come along with me as we go to Havertys and I share with you all what I look for when it comes to a substantial piece like this. Because who wants to purchase a sectional every 6 months to a year? Certainly not me. Now let's get into it. Now, before we get started on the hunt for the perfect sectional, I want to share with you all our current sectional and also some footage of what it has been through. Get back on the couch. Dallas! Hey, man. It has survived dance recitals, wrestling matches, and several naps. Not to mention my grandbabies treating it like it's their personal playground. You joking? Did I get joking? Look at me jumping on Jake. Why you jumping on your bro? Joking. And my husband encourages such behavior. I guess boys will be boys. All right, y'all. We've arrived to Havertys. Now, this place is known for quality furniture that doesn't just look great, but lasts for years. I know we're looking for the perfect sectional. However, my plans quickly took a turn when my eyes were instantly drawn to the most captivating wall art. I mean, she's lavish, radiant, simply timeless. But what truly left me at was this piece was on sale for 75% off that original price. As I shift my focus over to the reason why we are here, I saw this truly remarkable camel colored sectional crafted from semi-aniline top-grain leather. Now I understand the price is steep, however, it is well worth the investment. When choosing the perfect sectional, top of the list for me is lifestyle needs. Think about how you're going to use the sectional. Do you need extra seating for entertaining? Or are you looking for something that you can cuddle up on for those family movie nights? Also thinking about lifestyle needs. What about the material? Choose a material that suits your lifestyle. Leather is durable and easy to clean. However, it should be a top-grain leather, semi-aniline leather, because bonding leather will not last. This is where the investment part comes in. Also, microfiber is also a great choice. Check out this jade sectional. It's made out of microfiber. Microfiber and performance fabrics are great for homes that have children and pets. This is a beautiful large sectional. But second on my list is measuring your space. You all have to take an accurate measurement of your room. And for something this size, I would even measure the doorway or stairwell to make sure it would fit. Here is another stunning top grain leather sectional. This exceptional piece goes beyond elegance because of its built-in features. When finding the perfect sectional, consider those additional features like storage compartments and USB ports, even cup holders. Those features help with keeping essentials neatly tucked away, yet always within reach. Also, at the very top of my list, you all, is the frame. What is the frame made out of? I suggest you stay clear of plywood, MDF, particle board. Tried and true longevity frame basis would be solid wood or kiln-dried wood frames. They are made to last. Yeah, I think my husband and I have found our perfect sectional. Power reclining. Need I say more? If this sectional did not put a huge smile on my husband's face, I'll pay you. The power reclining allows you to adjust the seating position to your precise preference, from a slight tilt to a full recline, all at the punch of a button. Our perfect sectional is this Nova sectional. It is upholstered in this Chanel fabric and it comes in several colors. You all know it could not be an Evelyn Shelton shop with me without some clearance items. Havertys did not come to play when it came to their clearance selection, you all. And just think, some of these items you are not going to find in a big box store. I have to show you all. Hey y'all, I'm Evelyn. And if you have made it this far in the video, that means you're vibing with me. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be part of our home decor lovers family. This little clearance area I found in the back of the store. Like most clearance items are placed, but they had some real little gems on this table. This throw, you all, was so soft, you all. Oh, it felt so good to my skin. Now, the detailing and the softness of that throw, I can see why a person would spend $130 for that retail. However, that 75% off sale made that throw $32.50, and that is so much more in my price range. Here are a few more items that I saw. About a week or two later, I decided to swing by Havertys store once again to check out their clearance table. And let me tell you, patience is truly a virtue. To my surprise and delight, I found two of the lamps I had been eyeing during my last visit, now 50% off. Before we wrap up, I wanted to give a special shout out to Donna at Havertys Furniture. She was not only incredibly helpful, but also so attentive throughout our shopping experience. Not like helicopter intensive, but she was there to answer all questions. If you're planning to stop by Havertys in South Haven, Mississippi, I highly recommend asking for her. Ms. Donna made the whole process smooth and enjoyable, and I know she'll do the same for you. Tell her Evelyn sent you. Here's a shout out to my home decor lovers, my subbies, my family. Thank you all again for watching. I thank you all for checking into my channel. And until the next time, you all, be blessed. Baby,